Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you'd like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at Microsoftaccessexpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools and miscellaneous templates. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Microsoft Access Podiatrist Appointment Tracking Database template. So you're going to want to scroll up a ways here, and you're going to want to go into our appointment and scheduling section, and you're going to want to select the Access Podiatrist Appointment Tracking Database. Let's go ahead and click that, and you're going to want to download the demonstration that correctly corresponds with the version of Access that you are currently running on. Unfortunately, for this one, there is only one version of the demonstration, so hopefully you have the right version of Access. So once it downloads, go ahead and open that. And you're going to want to go ahead and just extract all that file, so go ahead and extract that. Once you've done that, go ahead and open it. And along with all of our database templates, since they do come from the web, your computer views it as a potential security risk or a warning. Now, I can assure you that this database template is safe, so I'm going to go ahead and continue on and open this. And as always, you get a pop-up box that shows all the different ways that you can contact Winning Solutions Inc. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. However, I'm going to go ahead and close out of this for now. So obviously this database template would be good for if you were a podiatrist and you need to keep track of all your appointments as well as your clients. However, if you like this database template but you are not a podiatrist and you want to make it compatible for another type of company or doctor or anything like that, let Winning Solutions Inc. know, because we can customize this database template to make it 100% compatible for any type of company that you own or run. So we're going to start off here by, we're going to just add a new customer, and we're just going to make up a name here. Or I'll put my name, why not? Okay, and we'll put in a test email. As you can see, you can fill out a lot of information. I'm not going to fill out all of it. I'll just fill out a few more. I'll put in a phone number. But as you can see, you can even fill out an address, notes about the customer. You can even put a picture about the customer, as well as your call history, your appointment history, and your payment history with the customer. So this is a pretty detailed section. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save and close this for now. And now what you can do is you can actually search for that customer. So if I search, I'm just going to go by the last name. As you can see, you can use a lot of different criteria to search for, but just to make it easy, I'm going to go by the last name. And there's that customer I created, Mr. Blake Bundy. And you can actually double click on the record to either view or edit the record. So if I double click it, there we go. This pops up again, and you can go ahead and you can edit all this information or put in new information. However, we are not for now, so I'm just going to close out of that. Close out of this. And so now I'm going to show you guys how to create an appointment. So if you go to the view schedule calendar, it opens up a calendar. Now this is a daily view of today. However, you can go weekly view, bi-weekly, monthly view. This is what the monthly view looks like. But we're going to create an event. So I'm going to go daily view. So it brings you back to today. We're going to make an appointment from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So you double click in this time slot. And as you can see, I just created a customer. So we're going to choose me as a customer. The podiatrist, this is just obviously test podiatrist that we put in there for the sake of the demonstration. If you purchase a template, you are obviously able to put in your own podiatrist or other employees. So person 1, 8:30, or we're going to put 8 a.m. to 9 like I said. Oh, almost probably got this. So our type, we're going to go surgery, $50 surgery. And we're going to put location 1. So as you can see, the invoice amount also updated to $50 because that's how much this cost. And you can actually, if you're going to have multiple doctors, workers, employees, etc., if you're going to have multiple of them working on one patient or in one appointment, you can actually fill out other employees. So if I put person 2, we already have person 1, person 3, we're going to have 3 different people work on it. And you can even fill out how the person's going to pay for it. So it's pretty cool. It's actually pretty detailed. And we're going to actually put a custom color on this just to make it easier to view in the calendar. Choose orange. Go ahead and hit that. So now I'm going to hit save and close, and that's going to pop up orange on the calendar. So look at this, surgery location 1. Now the reason the color is important is because if you're going to have multiple appointments from like 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. then 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., if you were to make those the same color, it would be hard to see. But if you can make them different color and color code it, and it really helps with the organization. And this is just what the monthly view looks like. So there's that surgery. You can double click it, brings you back into the daily view. You can even double click it to edit it if you want. Or not for now. And what you can also do is if you have a ton of appointments on a specific day and you want to like search for that just to maybe stay organized and only look at what you have to get done today, you can do that as well. And you can also even do it by type in location. So if we're going to go start date, we did it today, the 30th. So if you run that search, it's going to show all the appointments that I have for today. So there we go. If I had a bunch of appointments, it would list them all out and it'd really help you stay organized for the day and know what you have to get done that day. So it's pretty cool. Go ahead and close on that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming that you need, you want to buy a template, you want to customize a template, anything. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those. We post quite frequently. Once again, thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, and have a great day.